It's almost fireworks time here. At least the official fireworks. I don't think they're going to be practicing any social distancing over there, so I'm going to have to practice social distancing myself. So the plan is to park it here somewhere in the ball field. Fireworks are going to be shot over there. See if I can get the drone about 1,000 feet from here and get a better angle of it. We'll see. This may be about the dumbest thing I've ever done. As you can see, it is just about pitch black out here, which means I'll be flying completely blind. Hopefully, I will get the drone back. Hopefully. Or get killed by people shooting off fireworks right next to me. All right, let's give it a try. I didn't record the audio. Well, I did record the audio, but then I stopped and then I didn't start the audio again. Cue patriotic music. Success. If I recorded. Did I record? I didn't record.